Hello and welcome to part 1 of this two-part video, where we will show you how to migrate a relational PostgreSQL database to an ApsaraDB for relational PostgreSQL database. We will assume that you have created an RDS instance in your ApsaraDB for RDS account. You can check that you have created an instance by logging into the ApsaraDB for RDS Console and finding an instance with the database engine type PostgreSQL. It is important to note that, in order to migrate your relational PostgreSQL database to an ApsaraDB for RDS PostgreSQL database, you must first create a server on your PostgreSQL client to connect to your RDS instance. We will show you how to do that in this video. In the second video, we will look at how to migrate your relational PostgreSQL database to an ApsaraDB for relational PostgreSQL database. First, log on to the RDS console and find your target instance. Click on the instance name. Here are the details you need to set up your PostgreSQL database. You will also need your account details, which can be found on the Accounts page by clicking here. Now, go to your PostgreSQL client. For the purposes of this tutorial, we will assume you are using pgadmin4. We are going to migrate the local PostgreSQL database rdstestdb to a database on our ApsaraDB for RDS account. We have entered some basic data in this test database, which you can see by right-clicking on Table 1 and clicking View Edit Data, then All Rows. Now, let's connect to ApsaraDB for RDS through the pgadmin4 client. To do this, we will need to create a new server instance. Right-click Servers and then select Create, then Server. On the General tab of Create Server window, enter server name as shown in the following figure. We will call this server ApsaraDB. Now, select the Connection tab and enter the information of the instance to be connected. The host name/address is simply the internet address, which is available in the console. Just click to copy and paste this information here. The port number can also be found in the console. Next, add the username and password details of the account you created in the Accounts page. Click Save. If the connection information is correct, select Servers, Server Name, Databases, Postgres, and click Dashboard. The following interface appears, which indicates that the connection to the RDS instance is successful. Select Postgres, and then select Tools, Query Tool. Enter the following command on the Query 1 tab page to create a database called rdstestdb. Type Create Database, open bracket, database name, close bracket. Type Create Database rdstestdb. Click the Execute/refresh icon, which is found here. If the execution is successful, it indicates that the new database is created successfully. Right-click Databases and click Refresh. And then you can find the newly created database, which is connected to your ApsaraDB for RDS account. This is where we will migrate the local test DB to in the next video. Thank you for listening.